guys, what's up and welcome back to another unboxing video. I am very excited for this one because it is kitchen related. So what I have today are basically containers that goes in the fridge, and it's from Luxear Fresh Keeper. It keeps your produce super fresh and makes them last longer, and also they're stackables. So let's go ahead and open the box. First, let me tell you, it has 3 containers, small, medium and large. And once you open the box, it shows you exactly how the container works. And oh, very excited to use them. I have been trying to find some containers to keep my produce fresh and last longer, so I'm very happy to try this. It looks like this. It comes in a box. I think the other 2 are inside the big one. This is all empty. And let's open it. Looks good. Let me see, how did I open this? Oh, this is just the lid. It has 2-way opening, and then another one. I think this is the tray that goes in the container that helps with the moisture flow. Another lid. This is the medium size. And this here is a small size. So it comes in 3 different colors: cream, blue and green. I really like it. Alright, let's go ahead and assemble the container so we can see how it looks. So first one, the large one, it has the opening here, so you can wash your vegetables or whatever you're keeping in here, drain the water from here, and then push this back in. This one has 2 dividers. One goes here in the bottom. You can use it as one whole container if you want, if you have a lot of stuff, or if you want to divide it, you can put this in here like this, and it becomes 2 shelves. Or you can just fold it like this and place it right here in the middle, and then it divides it this way. So you can use it whatever way you want. And the lid, and that's it. And it also has the air vent over here, so you can adjust how much air you want to go in. And also the lids are foldable, so if you have placed your stuff in this way and you just want to take out stuff from here, you don't have to open the entire lid, just take it out from here. It's really cool. I love it. And I love the size that they come in different sizes basically. Again, the blue one also is the same from the bottom. You can wash your veggies or meat and then drain the water from here. Place this here, and then you can place this one and the lid. They are stackable, so it's really cool. So, and the smallest one looks like this. It has 2 small baskets, so you can just put the baskets in there, and there you go. Now let's store some produce that I got recently. I have some carrots that I'm gonna place in here. Because they are all, I cleaned them, washed them, dried them, so, and then I didn't want to put them in a Ziploc. So, and then on this side, let's do cilantro. I always struggle to keep my cilantro fresh, so I'm really excited to use this because it has the air vent flow and it helps control the moisture. So it's gonna be really good. Yep. And I don't have to use any, like in this container I use a paper towel and stuff for the moisture. Here I don't have to do anything. It's very convenient for me. So this is ready. One container done. This is how it looks. It looks so pretty. And when you see your fresh fruits and vegetables in a transparent box in your fridge, you always feel good. So for the next one, I'm gonna do half and half. I'm gonna use this half and half divider way, and I'm gonna keep my cherry tomatoes on one side. pouch on the other. And there you go, this container is also ready now. So yeah, I hope you like these containers and do try them. I don't have anything to keep in these ones right now. You can keep a little bit of blueberries or raspberry or something like that. But yeah, very excited for them to go in my fridge. And look how colorful and beautiful they look. So all the details and discount code are in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out and let me know how you like it once you get them.